Hey, what is up, everybody? My name is Harry.
And I'm Charlene.
And welcome back to Songs and Thongs. And today we're going to be reacting to who? Aryun-Goa, I think. Erбэд soохor. Not sure, but we're going to do it.
Yep.
Let's go. What's up? Welcome back to the channel.
Yes.
If you're brand new or returning, please remember to click the like, subscribe, bell notification, all those beautiful things.
Yes.
Also check us out on OnlyFans and Instagram and all these things. We've got two OnlyFanses. One where she's like in pretty lingerie and bikinis and stuff. Very, very sexy. It's very cool. Like just do it. And then the other one is where we do reactions and all kinds of stuff that gets, you know, all of the reactions that get blocked on YouTube goes on there, etc. Now, like we said, we're going to be reacting to a brand new band / artist song. Anyways, no clue. But this song was sponsored. If you would like to sponsor a video like this, hit the link at the top corner there, and we'll tell you how to do that. Now, without any further ado, let's check out this band and this song. All right, here we go. Oh, where is that? It's nice. Oh, that's funky. Oh. I was not expecting that.
Not at all. Okay, hang on. You're gonna take it back and you're gonna do the subtitles, please.
Oh, I'm so
Harry
sorry. I'm
this,
sorry.
but
I'm
we're
sorry.
gonna
I'm sorry. Where did she start singing? Pretty much there.
Yes,
All right, cool. Yes, we're gonna do it. I really like this. This is completely different to the norm, you know, that we usually react to. But it's cool. Yeah, I was not expecting that.
And there's no subtitles.
Music. I love that so freaking much.
There's just something about that.
Yeah, it's called throat singing.
Yes, that's just.
I wonder where they're from. Does it say any?
Cool.
They're from there. Wherever that is. I love that. It is so rad. Like, I really wish I could do that. If anybody knows how to teach someone how to do that, please get in touch. Man, I want to be able to do throat singing. It's so rad. Anyways, all right.
I love this whole vibe. The whole like traditional dances and that.
Yeah,
cool.
it's very
cool.
I'll admit one thing. I don't like the techno vibe all that much.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of that either.
Yeah, that's never been something that I really enjoy. It really works.
Yes, that's what I want to say. Although it works, it's not... Yeah.
It's cool. It's just not something I would... Like, I would never listen to this again, unfortunately. But I do appreciate it. It's very cool. Yeah. And it's the first time, I'm hearing a female vocalist doing the throat singing. So that's very, very super cool. Fascinating. Yeah. Like, it's fascinating.
I would have liked that the subtitles worked, actually, because it seems to me there's a little bit more to it, but we don't know what she is singing about, so it's something we might need to go and check out.
That's fine.
But still, like we've said in numerous videos already, even if you don't know what they're singing about, you can still appreciate the music, and this is what it is. Like,
love it. All right.
Oh, that was cool. That was cool. Goodness.
Wow.
She does a freaking proper job with that.
I'll tell you what. That is cool. There's no getting around it. It's just...
There's something enjoyable about it. I don't know.
Yeah, it's vibing.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Very, very awesome. I don't know how to say it. Like, honestly, it blows my mind when I hear how people can figure stuff out that the human body can do that nobody else can do.
Yes.
I mean, there's someone out there that went, oh, look at what my throat can do. And everybody else is like, teach me, oh wise one. It's just like, wow, it's cool.
Yeah.
I love it.
Very cool.
I really enjoyed that. Like I said, I'll probably never listen to it again just because
but it's
the
nice,
techno vibe.
Yeah, but it's nice to see, to experience, or to, how can I say, I can't get the word. Anyway, it's just nice to see the different type of genres. Very cool. Very cool.
Awesome. That is it from us.
Yep.
Cool. We're gonna get out of here.
For sure.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Love you all. Peace out.
Cheers.